Depression. Depression can be severe and life altering, affecting the quality of life and happiness of those who live with it. It is a common condition, and in some cases, it's possible to prevent depression. Even you have already a previous episode of depression. There are many lifestyle changes and stress management techniques you can use to prevent or avoid depression. There are certain triggers that can cause us to experience a depressive episodes. While triggers may be different for everyone, there are some of the best techniques you can use to prevent or avoid depression. Exercise regularly. Exercising regularly is one of the best things you can do for your mental health, and it also helps in getting rid of depression in several ways. Like, it increases your body temperature, which can have a calming effect on the central nervous system. It releases chemicals like endorphins, which can boost mood. It reduces immune system chemicals that may worsen the depression. All types of physical exercise can treat depression, but it's the best to exercise regularly. To get more exercise, you can also join sports, team or studio where you will be a part of community in addition, and also you can be active in them. Take the stairs instead of elevator. Make it a habit that this is the best way to maintain the fitness level, and that is the most effective thing in preventing depression. Build strong relationships. Having a strong support system and an active social life is important for our mental health. A research has shown that having even an adequate social support can protect against depression. Make sure that you are regularly connecting with your friends and family members even when your lives are busy. Attend some social activities when you can, and also find new hobbies within them. That also can help you to meet new people, and they all can help you to build new relationships. Reduce stress. Chronic stress is one of the most avoidable and common causes of depression. Learning how to manage and cope with stress is essential for optimal mental health. To manage stress, you can avoid overcommitting to things, practice mindfulness or meditation, and do yoga every day. Learn to let things go that you can't control. Get plenty of sleep. Getting plenty of high quality of sleep is necessary for both mental and physical health. According to National Sleep Foundation, people with insomnia have tenfold risk of developing depression compared to those who sleep well. To get better sleep, you can not to look at any screens for 2 hours before you get to bed, and this also includes your mobile phone. Meditate before bedtime. Have a comfortable mattress. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon or sleeping in the afternoon. Stay away from toxic people. We have all met that person who just makes us feel bad about ourselves. Sometimes they are an outright bully, and other times they subtly put us down to make themselves feel better. They may be even someone who takes advantage of us regardless of the specific situation. Toxic people should be avoided at all costs. To avoid toxic people, you should stay away from anyone who makes you feel worse about yourself. Cut people out of your life who take advantage of you. Know the signs. If someone spreads rumors or talks badly about someone as soon as they leave the room, they are likely to do same for you. Eat well. A research has shown that regularly consuming a high fat diet can have similar effects as chronic stress in terms of causing depression. In addition, an unhealthy diet can also deprive your body or vital nutrients it needs to maintain physical and mental health. To prevent depression with your diet, you should eat balanced meals with lean protein and lots of fruits and vegetables. Reduce high sugar and high fats foods. Eliminate processed foods from your diet as much as possible. Incorporate more omega 3s in your diet with foods like salmon or nuts. Reduce alcohol and drug use. Well, this thing is optional. The excessive use of alcohol and any drug use not is only associated with higher risks of depression but also higher risks of depression relapse. Limit alcohol intake and eliminate any drug use as safely as possible. Because limiting alcohol can be difficult in some social situations, you can order an appetizer instead of a drink at an happy hour. Plan and invite friends to events where alcohol isn't central. Order cranberry juice. You don't have to tell anyone it doesn't have vodka in it. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity can result in low self esteem, especially once you start adding in the judgment and criticism of other people. There is a clear correlation between being obese and experiencing depression. A national survey found that 43% of adults with depression were obese. Additionally, adults with depression were more likely to be obese than those without it. If you are exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and eating well, maintaining a healthy weight should fall into place. You wouldn't get depression at all. Do let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.